Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. You guys know I'm in my take a Trump shot at trading listing, taking that Trump shot at trading. Today we're going to be talking about how to use trading signals. So using trading signals is ridiculously easy. All it takes is, watching the video and setting your trading view alerts to my exact entries. So if you have an Apple Watch, put on your Apple Watch and, pay for trading view and just set your alerts to my exact entries. So you know when the next move is happening in the market. You gotta always be ahead of the move, anticipate the move. I got really good at, giving signals because I want traders to make money. I wish I had a mentor like myself in 2020 that did that for me, because I would have gotten here a lot quicker. But, I just trust the universe's timing. I was just, meant to be the mentor that, switches up the game and become the GOAT. You guys know I'm the Etsy GOAT, taking that Trump shot. So, if you are interested in, joining a signals group, I have one. It's going to be in the description. You can test my signals out for a month for only $11.11, or you can join my lifetime signals group. If you join my lifetime signals group, you get access to my beginner's guide for free. I wish I had a mentor like myself who even gave out a beginner's guide that, pinpoints, what videos to watch. Because at the beginning of my journey, people would only, tell me, whose YouTube channel to like look up, but they wouldn't, pinpoint which videos to watch. So, that mentor can have 500 videos on their YouTube channel, but you have to figure out, which videos to watch. At least I, took time and, pinpointed which videos to watch, because I want all my mentees to, become profitable faster than me. You guys know, I just, I'm wishing abundance on all my students. I really want all my students to become five pip figures, because I, was one of those that used to just think, the trading industry was, very, very difficult, and that I wasn't going to make it. And I just want to, kind of just change the mindset of, people entering the trading industry, like just kind of eliminate their limiting beliefs and just, I just create confident traders, if that makes sense, because all my students have that 1% mindset. I wish I developed a 1% mindset at the very beginning of my journey, and I would have gotten here a lot quicker. So that's why I became the type of mentor I am. Ever since I became a trading coach, my life has changed. So if you're a trader on your content to cash journey, just realize all it takes is one view to get a sale. You don't have to wait on, monetization to make money. Go create that digital product, that print on demand product. Drop that link in your description at the beginning of, documenting your journey. I wish I, sold digital products at the beginning of my journey instead of going the prop firm route. Any trader can get 1K views on YouTube, 10K views. Imagine if, 10 people out of, that 1K views bought your product. That's all it takes. And you price that product $400, and you're already at $1,000 made just from creating content. So what I recommend all my students do is to not rely on monetization, and go make that 20-cent digital product on Etsy, and drop it in that learn and earn chat. There's a reason I created that learn and earn chat. You can start getting organic views. All it takes is one view to get a sale. Don't worry about the amount of subscribers you have. Even if you get 20 views on a video, all it takes is one person who, really who just enjoyed the video and your product and your vibe to, get a sale. You guys know this is for traders on their content to cash journey, sales to 5 pip journey. I don't promote prop firms. I could, easily just pass, prop firm challenges for people and, run up a bag. But I don't promote prop firms because I want all my students to, make money and just, didn't feel like scamming, even though I really could have been like, one of those people who just charge to pass prop firm challenges and only care about myself. But, I created that Learn and Earn so you can start making, 5 tips with me, copy my exact entries, and so you can start getting organic views to your YouTube channel. So anyone in that Learn and Earn can just drop their YouTube channel. I might even watch your YouTube video, get you another view. I might even buy your digital product or your print on demand product. Or if if you use Shopify and you have your clothing brand, I might even shop. So all it takes is, just investing in yourself and joining that Learn and Earn if you want to start getting views on your YouTube channel, or if you want to start getting sales. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe.